Hi there, Tanya Silva here. If you love Almond Joys just as much as me, but you don't love the side effects of them, then you are gonna love today's video. Today is all about how to make your own guilt-free Almond Joy. Getting to the main ingredients. Raw almonds, make sure you look at the ingredients, just almonds. Then you also want to get some almond butter. I prefer the crunchy kind. And once again, the ingredients should only be one ingredient, dry roasted almonds. And it's nice and creamy, delicious. Honey, my favorite honey is the orange blossom. It just tastes the best in my idea. Then we have dark chocolate. The Exchange is a really good chocolate brand. There's very minimal ingredients, no dairy, no soy. Another one of my favorite brands, and this is 85%, is the Pasha, and there's only minimal ingredients, no dairy, no soy. And then we have the unsweetened toasted coconut flakes. Please look at your ingredients, just organic coconut. And what you're gonna need is just a small portioned out little cup or like a teacup. Then you wanna do a handful of almonds. So we're using our hands to measure out our ingredients for portions. Also gonna do a handful of dark chocolate chips. I like the 85%. A handful of coconut flakes. And then you're gonna do a spoonful of almond butter. I like the crunchy brand. And then just a little drizzle of honey on top. And you're just gonna mix it all together, and there you go. Voila, your Almond Joy. If you have been looking for a channel to teach you everything in regards to building a healthy relationship around food, exercise, and overall self-care, make sure you subscribe, hit the post notifications, and share this video with as many people as possible. In the meantime, remember to give yourself permission to look, feel, and be your absolute best, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye. I have a free goodie for you. Make sure you check out the description box below, enter your name and your email, and receive your free gift.